Can you recall how a house is built? A brick is the building block of a house. Bricks are put together to make a wall. We put these walls together to form a compartment or a room, and rooms combine to make a house or a building. Similarly, all living things are made up of building blocks known as cells. Just as bricks combine to form walls, similar cells that perform a similar function combine to form tissues. These tissues then combine to form an organ that completes a specific task, much like the walls make up a room for a specific function. Different rooms in a house work together to provide a function. For example, the kitchen and the dining room are both needed to provide food. Similarly, different organs work together to make an organ system that carries out a specific process. Living things are made up of different organ systems functioning at the same time. This order of making up an organism is called the level of organization. Let's take a closer look at the level of organization in animals and plants with examples. Cells are the basic building blocks of all living things. Similar cells that perform the same function combine to form tissues. For example, muscle cells combine to form muscle tissues. When tissues combine, they form an organ. For example, muscle and epithelial tissues combine to make up the heart. Many different organs come together to make up an organ system which carries out a specific process in our body. For example, the heart and blood vessels make up the circulatory system. The circulatory system in our body is responsible for transporting oxygen to every part of our body through blood. There are many other organ systems in our body. The digestive system in our body helps us to break down food. It consists of the mouth, food pipe, stomach, liver, and intestines. The respiratory system helps us inhale oxygen gas and release carbon dioxide. It consists of the nose, windpipe, and lungs. The nervous system helps us interpret and respond to things happening inside and outside the body. It consists of the brain and the spinal cord and nerves that run all over our body. These are some systems that help us function every day. Each system is made up of a different group of organs that work together. Plants are no different. Plant cells combine to form tissues. Plant tissues can be epidermal, ground, vascular, or mesophyll tissues. Epidermal tissues form the outer layer or the skin of plants. Ground tissues store food. Vascular tissues transport water and food to and from different parts of the plant. Mesophyll tissues make food in the presence of sunlight. In plants, just like in animals, many different tissues come together to form an organ. The leaf, stem, root, flower,